Hello again, this is Duncan from PWP Web Design. Today we are going to hopefully try and demystify competitor analysis for you. There is one particular website we would recommend you use when carrying out competitor analysis, and that is Open Site Explorer. Type Open Site Explorer into Google and I'm sure you'll find it in there, one of the top results. Now what you can do with Open Site Explorer, it is actually free to use. You can actually get a professional version which allows you to do more searches, but you can compare different websites using these boxes here. So obviously depending on your business, just as an example, I typed in wedding photographers Lincoln, and what we do is maybe this would be your name, or if like this one, the number 1 on Google, so you know this would be the one that you would have to beat to get to that position. Copy it, paste it in there, go back, and then what we have to do is copy another one. This might be one you're interested in, or just like I'm doing, it could be the second ranking one on the natural listings. Control C, Control V, paste that in for the third one. I'm trying to do this quite quickly. And the fourth one's actually under these are the local listings. The fourth one is here under those local listings. Control C, Control V, paste that in. And lastly, what we'll do is we'll take the last one on page 1. The reason for this is by taking this one, you know how high the bar is, the bar that you have to get over in order to get to page 1. So if you can beat the criteria that Lincoln wedding photo actually have, then there's a good chance that you're going to be on page 1 of Google. So here we are. So it compares 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different websites and compares their, for instance, their page authority. So page authority for King Pro Photo is 46 out of 100, which is a really high mark actually. It's really good score. As you can see, it goes down bit by bit. 36, 33, 27, 32. Why isn't 32 above 27? Well, it's got a different page rank. It's higher there. It's higher in the trust. It has more internal follow links, so that it's not just the page authority. The page authority is a high determining factor in getting your website higher up, but it isn't the be all and end all, as you can see between those two, because Massey photography.co.uk only has a page authority of 27, whereas Lincoln wedding photos has 32, but Massey Photo is higher. So there you go. So by comparing all these different analysis, and you can look at other things in here, you can look at inbound links, where the links come from. There you go. So that tells you where that link comes from, tells you the anchor text that they're using, the page authority of the site from which that link was derived, and also gives you the domain authority from which that link came from. As you can see, it does vary quite a lot, so you could go to your competition, pick the best one, click on there, see if you can get a link. Top pages, the linking domains, so hardrock.com, domain authority 84, that would be a good one to get a link from, and there are all the other ones as well. So you can find out a lot of information by clicking on all these different tabs at the top. Anchor text, so obviously we did type in, if you remember, I think it was wedding photographers Lincoln, so you would imagine that the top anchor text or keyword, if you like, would be something like Lincoln wedding photographer. So there you go, and there are 36 links containing this anchor text going back to that top domain. So hopefully that will have demystified for you some of the competitor analysis tools that we use as webmasters. If you do have any questions, or you would like PWP Web Design to carry out some competitor analysis on your behalf, then do give us a call. As always, our website is pwpwd.co.uk. Our email address and telephone numbers are on there. We would love to speak to you. I hope you've enjoyed this explanation, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.